Planning Hanukkah and want your home to feel festive, elegant, and meaningful this year? Looking for beautiful Hanukkah decoration ideas that blend tradition with modern style? Searching for creative Hanukkah party ideas or stunning Hanukkah table decorations ideas for family gatherings? Or maybe you want classy Hanukkah decorations ideas that feel warm, joyful, and effortless? Stay with me, because today we're sharing 15 beautiful Hanukkah decor and party ideas to help you celebrate the Festival of Lights in a stylish and meaningful way. Welcome back to Decor Design Ideas, where every season is styled with heart and creativity. In today's video, we're sharing inspiring Hanukkah decoration ideas, stylish Hanukkah party ideas, and beautiful Hanukkah table decorations ideas, perfect for hosting, decorating, and celebrating in a warm and festive way. What makes Hanukkah decorations feel festive and meaningful? Hanukkah decor focuses on light, symbolism, and tradition. Candles, menorahs, and blue and white color palettes are key elements of timeless Hanukkah decoration ideas. What are the most popular Hanukkah decoration ideas for homes? Table decor, candle displays, wall signs, and soft lighting are favorites. These Hanukkah decoration ideas instantly create a warm and welcoming atmosphere. If you enjoy elegant holiday decor, hit like and share this video with someone celebrating Hanukkah. What are creative Hanukkah party ideas for families? Latke nights, candle lighting gatherings, and dreidel games are wonderful options. These Hanukkah party ideas keep traditions alive while creating joyful memories. What are fun Hanukkah party ideas for kids? Set up craft stations, chocolate gelt hunts, and simple games. These Hanukkah party ideas make the celebration engaging and educational for children. What's your favorite part of Hanukkah? Lighting candles, food, or family time? Tell me below. How do I decorate a dining table for Hanukkah? Use blue or white runners, silver accents, themed napkins, and candles. These Hanukkah table decorations ideas make meals feel festive yet elegant. What are elegant Hanukkah centerpieces ideas? Menorah-inspired arrangements, candle clusters, and greenery with metallic touches work beautifully. These Hanukkah centerpieces ideas create a stunning table focal point. For more holiday table and centerpiece ideas, check the playlist linked in the description. What are classy Hanukkah decorations ideas for modern homes? Neutral colors, clean lines, and subtle metallics work best. These classy Hanukkah decorations ideas feel calm, refined, and sophisticated. What are easy DIY Hanukkah decorations ideas? DIY garlands, painted jars, paper stars, and handmade candle holders are great options. These DIY Hanukkah decorations ideas are budget-friendly and family-friendly. Love seasonal decorating? Subscribe for weekly holiday and home decor inspiration. What are traditional Hanukkah decorations ideas? Classic menorahs, dreidels, candles, and blue and white decor are timeless. These traditional Hanukkah decorations ideas honor the history and meaning of the holiday. What are cute Hanukkah decorations ideas for small spaces? Mini menorahs, tabletop signs, fairy lights, and window decor work perfectly. These cute Hanukkah decorations ideas add charm without clutter. For more holiday decorating inspiration, check the related videos in the description. What Hanukkah wreath ideas work for front doors? Blue and white ribbon wreaths, olive branches, and Star of David designs are beautiful choices. These Hanukkah wreath ideas offer a warm and respectful welcome. How can I decorate for Hanukkah on a budget? Reuse decor, focus on candlelight, and DIY where possible. These festive Hanukkah decor ideas show that simplicity can still feel special. How do I create a festive Hanukkah atmosphere at home? Soft lighting, music, coordinated decor, and candle rituals help set the mood. These festive Hanukkah decor ideas bring warmth and peace to your home. What decorations work best for Hanukkah parties? Table decor, centerpieces, banners, and themed serveware are ideal. These Hanukkah party ideas help gatherings feel organized and celebratory. How can I mix tradition with modern Hanukkah decor? Pair symbolic items like menorahs with modern materials and minimal styling. This approach keeps Hanukkah decoration ideas meaningful yet contemporary. And that's it. 15 beautiful Hanukkah decoration and party ideas to help you celebrate the Festival of Lights with warmth, elegance, and joy. From table decorations and centerpieces to wreaths, DIY crafts, and party inspiration, these ideas make your home feel festive and welcoming. Whether you love traditional touches or modern decor, Hanukkah decorating is all about light, family, and meaning. What's your favorite Hanukkah tradition? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more seasonal decorating inspiration. Chag Same H.